Hello, this is Bobby Miles from Texas Skid Steer, showing you a 2005 Bobcat S300. It has an 81 horsepower diesel engine in it. It has a 3,000 pound operating capacity, tipping load of over 6,000 pounds at 6,111 pounds. It's a good, solid running machine. We're located out in Springtown, Texas, which is just west of Fort Worth, Texas. You can see all the inventory that we have for sale by going to our website at texasskidsteer.com. We show machines 7 days a week by appointment. If we can help you in any way, just give us a call. Thank you for watching. Y'all have a good day.